Hi, I'm Anirudh from Travel Agent Solutions. In this video, we will be talking about the invoices and taxes and how to manage your invoices, receipts, and taxes in travel management system. Well, travel management system helps travel agents manage their packages, their quotations, their clients, their hotel vouchers, their flight vouchers, and invoices as well. So, let's discuss how to create an invoice. Firstly, just go to accounts and invoices, and there is an option of sales invoice. So invoices are created on the basis of the services that we sell to our clients. So whatever services that we sell, we need to add those services first before we can create an invoice. Let's go back to the clients, and here we have a service list. We open it. And here we have different services like packages, Thailand package, Visa Canada, Europe, air ticket, visa or hotel. And if you want to add a new service, we can just click on the add new service. And if you want to add a service like let's say Singapore package, we add one here. Let's create a service. Generally we term it as a package, but sometimes people ask for more personalized terms, so they ask services like the Singapore package. And now when we are here on the invoices, we just need to click on add invoice. It's very simple. We select the issue date of the invoice, the due date when the payment would be due from the client. We select the client name. We check the payment status, if it's payment pending, partial payment received, complete payment is received, or the invoice is cancelled somehow if we cancel the invoice, and the client location is local or other state. And then these are the basic things, and now we need to add the service. We click here on add line. We select the service, like we just created a Singapore package here, or we can also add the air ticket, visa or hotel, whatever service that we are selling to our client. I select here the Singapore package, and I entered the amount as 50,000 rupees. Here we have an option to manage tax. We can add the IGST as 18%, and anything else that we want to publish on the front of the PDF, we can be entered here, like Singapore package for 2 adults and 1 child, and I will click here on create invoice. Invoice number is automatically generated on the basis of the previous invoice. Now when we go back to the invoice list, we can view this invoice. Here is the invoice. Complete branding would be yours. You can easily manage your business settings, where you add your company name, your address, your phone numbers, your website, and your logo. Here it says invoice number 17, and the invoices for Himanshu Sharma, his phone number, email ID. And we are selling Singapore package for 50,000 rupees, and the IGST stands for 9,000 at 18%, and the total amount is 59,000, and it says the payment is pending. Here on the description it says Singapore package for 2 adults and 1 child, that we entered as an additional text for this particular invoice. Here we can add, here we have an option to stamp if we want to stamp. So we saw it is very easy to create an invoice, and let's see how we can manage the payments here as well. The next important thing is the payments. If this client has paid us like 30,000 rupees as an advance, we can click here on the receive tab for this particular invoice. Here it says the invoice amount is 59,000, the receive amount is nil, and the pending is 59,000. Here we have an option to select the payment methods. It says net banking, cash, ICICI Bank, UPI, Kotak, Paytm, and these are all the banks that we have added personalized for us. When you will be having the portal login, you can manage your payment methods. It's very simple. You can add your payment methods, only methods the way which you accept payments from the client. You may have a bank account in Bank of Baroda, or you may have a bank account in Allahabad Bank, or you may have a bank account in Swiss Bank. So whatever that you can manage your banks. So it will give you more information that which bank received which amount from the client. So it automatically picks up the receipt number. I select here the Kotak Bank and I says I have received an advance amount for Singapore package, and the amount received is 30,000, and we have received the amount on 20th of July. And I'll just click on update payment. Now it says Himanshu, from Himanshu we have 59,000 rupees total invoice, 30,000 have been received and 20,000 is pending. So let's again click on the receive button. And here it shows in detail that invoice amount was this, amount received and the pending. And here on the left it says we have received the payment in Kotak Bank. The amount was 30,000 and date was 20th July 2019. Now as per our client's demand, we have added another option of receipt. When we receive a payment, a receipt is automatically created for the client that every client always requests. Whenever he makes a payment, he's looking for a receipt as well. So when we click here on view receipt, it will give him a receipt of 30,000 rupees that we have received 30,000 rupees from him. The receipt number is 3 and the receipt for the invoice number is, and this receipt for invoice number 17. So the receipt is automatically generated as well, and it comes in a very professional way in a PDF format that you can send to your client. So this is about the invoices. One more thing I would like to cover in this video is the payment methods. Let's go again to account invoices. Here we have the payment methods. These are the methods by which we, or whatever your company, receives payments. Here it says like you may be receiving cash at the Gujarat office, you may be having a bank account in PNB, whatever the ways that you receive payments, you just need to record those payment methods. Like you may be having an account in Bank of Maharashtra. So let's say we have an account in Bank of Baroda. So what I will do is here I will click on add payment method, and here I will add Bank of Baroda and I'll click on add payment method. This is a payment method by which client make payments to us. Very simple. So let's go back. Now here we go back to the payment method list, and here we have Bank of Baroda here listed as well as the payment method for our travel agency. Now let's go back to account invoices, then the sale invoices. We have just created this invoice for Himanshu where the total amount was 59,000, 30,000 was received and 29,000 was pending. So let's suppose Himanshu deposited the previous amount, the left amount 29,000 in our Bank of Baroda account. So what we need to do here is we will again click on receive button. Here we will select Bank of Baroda. The description would be final amount, service would be Singapore package, and the amount received, the pending amount here is 29,000. Let's say he made the rest amount 29,000 on 22nd of July, and we click on update payment. Here it says that from Himanshu for the invoice number 17, the complete amount was 59,000 and we have received 59,000 from him, and the total amount pending is 0. Again we will also be getting another receipt of 29,000 that we have just added. Let's click on receive. And here we find the other invoice, other receipt as well. We click here and it says receipt final amount 29,000 for this particular client. So it's very easy to manage your invoices, your receipts and your payment methods in travel management system. Thank you very much for watching this video. In case you have any doubts while using this software, or if you're planning to buy this software, again if you have any kind of doubts, you can contact us on our website travelagentssolutions.org. I'll just list you the numbers. You can contact us on the email care@travelagentsolutions.org, or you could call us on 98124 You can also find the contact information on the description mentioned below, or if you want to contact us through a contact form, you can always submit a ticket over here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.